Hey guys, welcome back. Renebruun here with you down at Portmarnock Beach. It is a Tuesday morning at 9:36 a.m. Trying to shoot something a bit different. This is a local area again. Sometimes you can only shoot so much, or at least you feel like you can only shoot so much because you've shot it so many times. But I have the drone with me. There's some small fishing boats out there, and I'm going to take a few different colour and black and white shots this morning and see how we get on. So here we go. I have the Mavic Mini 3 out taking some shots of the trawlers, the fishing boats outside of Portmarnock, about a mile offshore, and I captured some of these lovely shots, some of these lovely images. The boats going around. It reminds me a bit of bubble netting when they go around with the net, although I'm not sure 100% what way they're doing it, what type of fish they're looking for, but there's a few trawlers going around there catching fish. So this is a shot I took of a man on the beach. He's doing a bit of exercise with the trawlers in the background. Bit of sunlight, nice silhouette. I actually think this is quite a nice shot. It would be better if it was a close-up shot of the man, but what can you do with a 28mm lens? So here we are, nice and still, just off the coast here. You see this trawler sitting there. Now I noticed on this footage, the bird that's flying in now with the black wingtips, you know what that is? That's a gannet. I think one of the most nicest, beautiful birds in Irish skies around the Irish coast. It's an absolutely beautiful bird. I'll see if I can get an image from someone else and just put it up on the screen. So it's not a bad morning here in Dublin. Been cold the last few days. We had a lovely week of glorious sunshine, and I was supposed to be in the Canaries last week in Lanzarote, and I'm glad I wasn't because it absolutely bucketed down. Very bad storm there. Hurricane Oliver absolutely devastated a few parts. So it kind of worked out well, but I'm off there in a month's time and I'm hoping to visit Omar Sharif's home over there. But for the moment, I have a day off, I have 2 hours to kill, so why not take some photos?